Hello ladies and gentlemen, and today we are here with the insider news of Redmi K20, HTC One 2019, Aptoide for Huawei phones. Aptoide is the largest independent Android app store and allow one to set up and manage your own Android store, upload, test and approve your apps. Looks like Android is gonna face a strong competitor, which is good as it will give users the option to switch if they really wanted to. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to receive the notification of our future videos. Well, first thing first, as Redmi K20 will get a latest generation of fingerprint scanner. Next Tuesday, the flagship Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro based on Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 will be presented in China. Smartphones will have a number of impressive options, including a retractable front camera with a safety margin of 300,000 openings, as well as an AMOLED display without a cutout. Couple of days ago, Redmi Vice President wrote to Weibo, the Chinese social media network, that the Redmi K20 line will be equipped with the 7th generation optical fingerprint reader built directly into the display. Pixel size will be 7.2 micron and the read area will increase by 15%. The quality of fingerprint scanner is superior to that of Mi9, aka Xiaomi Mi9T, which is the latest flagship of Xiaomi. Second in our list is HTC, which will continue the line 1. It became known that the HTC is preparing a new smartphone with a dual camera and the traditional design of the front panel. Shortly after that, the network appeared supporting documents which indicated that we face the model HTC 2Q7A100. Sources says that the HTC intends to continue the One line, which was frozen 2 years ago when it was replaced by a new flagship HTC U. The material for the back panel will be plastic. Earlier, the HTC 2Q7A100 was seen in the Geekbench benchmark database. In April 2019, it turns out that the smartphone will receive a Snapdragon 710 processor, 6 GB of RAM and Android 9 Pie operating system. But in May 2019, a similar model was seen with a MediaTek Helio P35 processor. Both versions are likely to go on sale, but in different regions of the world. The debut date still remains unknown. And the third one is Android competitor, because Huawei has found a replacement for the Google Play Store. Soon after the deterioration of relations between the US government and Huawei, the network began talking about the coming crisis within the Chinese company. Because after this clash, sooner or later, new models of Huawei will lose access to the latest versions of Android operating system and all proprietary Google services. At the same time, the corporation will be able to continue to install AOSP firmware on smartphones, but without the Google Play Store, which will significantly reduce the attractiveness of devices for buyers outside of China. The solution to this situation may be an alternative application store, for example, Aptoide. According to the CEO Paulo Trezentos, his company and Huawei management are considering the possibility of partnering and installing Aptoide as an application store in the Kirin OS operating system. However, the final decision has not yet been made. Aptoide is an alternative trading platform for mobile applications running on the Android operating system. In Aptoide, unlike the Google Play Store, there is no centralization. Instead, each user runs his own store. The number of available applications in Aptoide exceeded 900,000. Among Chinese companies, Oppo actively uses Aptoide services. Honestly speaking, this news is wonderful as a competition in any market is good because it ultimately beneficial for the end user. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for now. We hope you like these wonderful news from some authentic intel. If you do, please smash that like button and subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. And until the next video, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.